So I've been looking at MagicFlixAI 2.0, and it's clearly aiming at a huge problem. Most faceless channels are still generic, time-consuming, and hard to scale. This one tries to solve that by combining creation, automation, ranking, and monetization in one place. And that's what makes it interesting. So, what exactly is MagicFlixAI 2.0?
It's a faceless channel platform that says it can build self-learning video channels, generate videos in different styles, automate posting, and help with ranking and monetization.
So instead of just making a single video, it's trying to build a whole channel system?
Exactly, that's the main pitch. It's not positioned as a simple editor. It's more like an all-in-one channel engine.
And I think that matters because the page keeps coming back to the same pain point. Too many creators are stuck with generic AI content.
Yes, the sales page says most people are stitching together too many tools, spending too much time, and still ending up with content that doesn't stand out.
So the promise is less manual work, more brand identity, and a better shot at consistency.
That's the idea. It's built for people who want faceless content that looks more intentional and less random.
Let's break down the workflow, because the page gives a pretty clear step-by-step process.
First, you create an AI brain and choose a channel theme. It says the AI studies your style, offer, or business and develops a unique brand voice and content strategy.
Then it moves into visuals and narration?
Right. You pick an AI narrator, visual style, subtitles, and media type, images or clips, and the platform supports styles like Pixar, Ghibli, ultra-realism, stick figure, and comic book.
That's a wide range of creative options.
And after that, you can either edit manually with drag and drop timelines or let the system automatically create, schedule, and post content around the clock.
One of the strongest parts of the sales page is the optimization angle.
Absolutely. It says the app discovers trending topics, keywords, hashtags, titles, descriptions, and even thumbnails designed to help content get discovered.
So it's trying to help beyond production. It's also targeting discoverability.
That's the value. If the software really saves research time and helps users publish more strategically, that's a meaningful benefit for busy creators.
Now let's talk monetization, because the page is very direct about that.
It says you can monetize through affiliate offers, local business channel services, sponsorships, and email list building. It also mentions matching funnels and promotional content that fits the channel.
So the channel isn't just about views.
Exactly. The pitch is that monetization is baked in from the start, which is appealing for anyone who wants business-focused content, not just entertainment.
Who do you think this is best for?
I'd say beginners who want a guided system, affiliate marketers who want promo-friendly faceless content, and agencies that want to sell channel creation as a service.
And business owners too, right?
Yes, especially if they want a branded content channel without building a full production team. The page also mentions local business clones and agency pages, so it's clearly thinking beyond just solo creators.
Pricing is also pretty clear on the page, which I appreciate.
The starter package is listed at $37 and premium is $47. Both are framed as one-time launch prices with no monthly fees during the launch special.
And the page says that later pricing may move to monthly billing.
Right, so if someone is interested, the launch timing seems important based on the sales page itself.
So bottom line, this doesn't look like a tiny tool for one task.
No, it looks like a broad platform built for people who want to create, automate, optimize, and monetize faceless channels in a more systematic way.
And the big win is probably how many stages it tries to combine in one workflow.
Exactly. The value is in consolidation, automation, and channel-level thinking. My honest take is that MagicFlixAI 2.0 looks strongest for people who want an all-in-one faceless channel system rather than a basic video maker. The combination of channel brains, automation, ranking tools, monetization options, and commercial rights makes it a compelling launch offer, especially if you want to build content faster and keep the workflow simple. I'd view it as a strong fit for beginners, affiliate marketers, and agencies who want a more scalable setup. Results vary, and the sales page does not provide verified earnings guarantees, but the feature stack is definitely ambitious and well-positioned.
If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.